I discovered that I have termites in a stump next to my house. On the left is a TBS, which is a termite bait station made by Advanced, and on the right is a bulb planter. You can also use a post hole digger, but it's not recommended by the manufacturer because what it does, it causes backfill, loose dirt that you fill in around the TBS, and the termites might not travel into it because of the dirt. So you want to use a bulb planter, and you want to try to go down as far as you can so that the base station, the termite base station, goes down so the lid's level with the ground. If you're going to have a couple of these on each side of your house, you're 2, 3, 4, whatever, you know, you probably want to have them in a nice line. Sometimes that may not happen because there may be a root or a rock in the way, and you may have to have one out of line, which is what I had to end up doing. So now we're going to do one in loose soil, and what I not all the soil comes up with the bulb planter, so you may have to reach in and scoop some of the dirt out. And again, you want to make sure that the TBS, the termite bait station, goes all the way down so the top of the lid is flush with the ground. So this is a TBS with the advanced quick lock cap, and it's made up of the advanced termite inspection cartridge, which is a tick, and the advanced termite bait station. The whole unit's a TBS, and just the plastic outside is the TMB, which is advanced termite monitoring base. This is the spider, which is used to remove the quick lock cap. You could probably use 2 screwdrivers and save yourself $30. This is the Advanced Termite Inspection Cartridge, or TIC, and it's right now it's just cellulose inside. And it's the same thing that's in the Advanced Termite Monitoring Base, which is a TMB, which is in the bottom. I'll show you that in a minute. And this cartridge is meant to draw the termites up inside of it, and then once you detect termites, you can replace it with the one of the baits that has the poison in it. Then this is the Advanced Termite Monitoring Base, or TMB. It's a special cellulose that's irresistible to termites. And the empty shell without the TMB or the TIC is called a TBS, which is the Advanced Termite Base Station.